Let me see. John knows what's up.
Yeah, it's kind of a, like I said, it's kind of a bullshit code. Because there's no sensor that tells the water heater that the burner's bad. So where's it getting that information from? Right? So we got a 6 flash. 5, 6, 7. Oh, that's 7. Hang on, let's see what it says here.
Okay.
That's 6. Yeah, that's 6. Okay. Guess I just counted it wrong. Yeah, anyway, so there's not a sensor that can tell. I don't know how it knows this information. You know what I mean? Where's it getting this information from? So every time I've ever seen it and I've done what it asks, right?
Yeah.
So it's telling me the burner's bad. I put a different burner in there, it still comes up 6. Or it works for a little while and then 6 comes back and 6 comes back. 6 keeps coming back.
Yeah.
So the solution I have is to get rid of the circuit board, right? Which is basically right here.
Oh, I see. Okay, okay.
So you pop that off, you pop the new circuit board in, and all of a sudden, yeah. So you just, I mean, that's my plan anyway. But let me see, let me shut it down. Because sometimes if you can get the water heaters to light, just the flame to come on, there's a reset code. So you run it on very hot, 15 seconds, you run it on hot for 15 seconds and pilot for 15 seconds. And you do that twice and it should clear the code out. It almost always works. Yeah, I do. I use it all the time when I can, but I can only use it if the valve kicks over, because if the valve doesn't kick over, it won't. You know what I mean? It does. The circuit board knows when the valve's running or not because it allows it to pump the gas. So, but we'll see. I don't think it didn't seem like it came on to me. So, anyway, I brought another.
Cool.
I brought another board with me.
Oh, perfect. Yeah.
So hopefully the boards that I brought with me don't also have those. Be my luck being down here. This one's running normal. See that? It's running normal. Oh, I got the 9. I screwed up. Yeah, I screwed up. And I forgot the sensor. And I picked up the sensor. That's okay. I got another one in the truck. Yeah, always bring 2. Just in case one's bad. But let's see. Let's just, because we're here, let's see if we can get this to turn over. If we can get it to turn over, we can clear it out. It probably won't. Usually it just comes up flashing 6 times. Yeah. Yeah, it's just flashing 6 times. Yeah, it's a weird code. It's just one of those codes that I don't understand where it gets the information from. So there's a chance there's just something I don't fully understand about it. You know what I mean? But it should be a pretty easy fix.
Perfect.
Yeah, we like that, right? Last time.
We like that. Hell yeah.
Yeah, we like easy. So you got big plans for Christmas?
Yes, the family here.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're doing some tamales and pozole.
All right, that sounds good. Yeah, cool. You guys get a big fireworks show down here on New Year's? A lot of people light out fireworks and all that? Or?
You know what? By the bay, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Not your neighbors or nothing?
A few neighbors do.
Oh, okay. Where I'm at, I'm down in Barrio Logan.
Okay, okay.
You know Grant Hill?
Yeah.
Like Barrio Logan area?
Uh-huh.
And man, it goes crazy.
It goes crazy there?
It goes crazy. Yeah, it's like, sounds like World War III. Everybody. And they get started early, you know, like, it's like a real big deal. So, yeah, the New Year's and 4th of July. Just insane. Yeah, I gotta bring all my pets inside and all that. And hunker down. It's worse on New Year's because you gotta wait till midnight.
Yeah.
That'll stick. Okay, so that's the first. That's the one I just took out. Okay, so hopefully this this board doesn't come up flashing 9. That's a real pain in the butt to get rid of. So new circuit board. Yeah.
You want a soda or?
I'm okay. Yeah, I'm all right. Thank you, though. Yeah, that's very nice of you. Thank you. Yeah, I'm okay. Yeah, I just had some coffee. And I got a water heater to install after this.
Okay, cool.
So yeah, real busy. It's a busy time of the year, you know, winter.
Yes, yeah.
So winter is winter's a big deal with water heaters.
I see.
Because people can't go without hot water, you know.
Sure.
Yeah, they don't like that. So. There we go. Normal operation.
Cool.
Yeah, we can wait a little bit. But yeah, it's kind of a weird code.
I see.
6 flash.
Yeah.
It's just a weird code. So replace burner. I don't know where it gets that information from. There's no sensor. This is the chamber sensor.
Yeah.
Right here, and everything else is the pilot assembly. So how does it know that? You know, I mean, maybe it, you know, maybe there's some kind of restriction or something that it picks up on. But personally, I think it's just, you know, like a bad batch of like a bad error code or something. Because every time I've ever seen it and I've replaced the burner assembly, I've done what it tells me to do, right? It doesn't fix the problem.
I see.
And then I've changed the valve, put the same cover back on. That doesn't fix the problem. And the valve is like right here, you know, or here, you know. So the only thing I know that really takes care of this issue is just put a different circuit board in there. And then that seems to do it. So, I don't know. What do you think?
It sounds good.
It's running.
It's running.
Yeah, it's running. It's doing what it's supposed to do. So, you know, obviously, if it happens again or something, let me know. I mean, there's other things that we can do. Like put a different burner assembly in, a different type of circuit board. You know, there's different things you can do.
Okay.
But I don't remember when I was here. When was I here? About 6 months ago or something?
It was at least 6 months ago.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you replaced the burner.
Yeah.
I mean, so it was okay. You know, it was.
Yeah, we had a lot of problems with the thermopile and then trying to make that work. And then we put a different burner in there. And it was running good for you for a while?
Yeah.
So this whole time you don't have to light it?
No.
Okay.
No. Everything was fine.
But later when I'm watching this footage,
Yeah.
I can see what's going on. You might have a lot of condensation, or so like when the gas first ignites,
Yeah.
and the water's cold in the water heater, the
Or like the fumes.
yeah, exactly. Thank you. I was trying to find the right word. Yeah, the fumes that come off of the burnt gas will land on there's like a baffle, and they land on the baffle and the flue, and it falls as water vapor, which is condensation. Yeah, you can hear it sizzling. And that usually just lasts about 20 minutes.
Yeah.
So that only lasts about 20 minutes. You can hear that sizzling sound?
Yeah.
So that's the water vapor falling. It falls as water vapor. It hits that hot burner assembly, and it cooks off. Yeah, it cooks off. Sometimes it causes problems. Sometimes it can cause a lot of problems. But usually it happens right away.
Okay.
So like once we put a different burner assembly in, like it's within 24 hours, 48 hours. It wouldn't take 6 months. But there's things that you can do to try and kind of fix that a little bit. But that's normal. Condensation falling is normal. You know, because the water's really cold.
Yeah.
Although it's inside and it's insulated, it shouldn't be too cold. But yeah, the gas burns off. So. Anyway, you'll just have to let me know, but we cleared out that code 6 or the 6 flash.
Perfect, man. Cool, man.
Yeah, and it's making hot water. Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, no worries.